Have you ever noticed how two cars can have almost identical exhaust tips, yet one has a deep, refined tone while the other is loud and aggressive? That's because an exhaust isn't just about how it looks, it's about how it's built. From free flow to chambered mufflers, every setup has its own purpose, its own sound, and its own effect on the way a car performs. Here at K-Racing Mufflers, we meet a lot of customers who ask the same questions. Which muffler should I choose? Will it make my car louder? Which one is best for my daily driver? And sometimes, is this even legal? In this video, we'll answer all of those questions. We'll explain how different mufflers work, compare their advantages and disadvantages, show you some of the most popular options available here at K-Racing Mufflers, and recommend which setups work best for different vehicles. So before buying your next exhaust upgrade, let's first understand what you're really installing on your car. What does a muffler actually do? A muffler does much more than change the sound of your vehicle. It controls how exhaust gases leave the engine while reducing and shaping the sound produced by combustion. The internal construction affects exhaust flow, exhaust tone, noise level, and in some cases, overall engine efficiency when paired with other performance modifications. Two mufflers can look almost identical on the outside, but sound completely different because what matters most is what's inside. Free-flow mufflers use a straighter internal path with fewer restrictions, improving exhaust flow and producing a louder, sportier sound. They are popular on modified and turbocharged vehicles, but may create more cabin drone and are generally louder. Chambered mufflers, as commonly referred to in the Philippine aftermarket, still use a relatively straight flow design, but include an internal chamber that helps shape and soften the exhaust note. Compared to a free-flow muffler, they produce a deeper, more controlled sound with less harshness while maintaining good exhaust flow. This makes them a popular choice for daily driven vehicles that want a sportier tone without being excessively loud. At K-Racing Mufflers, we offer a wide range of free-flow and chambered mufflers to suit different vehicles and driving styles. Free-flow: K-Racing Burn Tip Free-Flow, HKS Burn Tip Free-Flow, HKS Carbon Tip Free Flow, K-Racing Carbon Tip Free Flow. These mainly differ in appearance: burnt tip, blue tip, green tip, carbon tip, matte black, while sharing the characteristics of a free flow design. Chambered: K-Racing Burn Tip Double Wall Chambered, K-Racing Matte Black Oval Tip Chambered, K-Racing Green Tip Chambered, K-Racing Plain Oval Tip Chambered. These provide a more refined, comfortable exhaust note and are excellent choices for daily driven vehicles. Which muffler should you choose? For daily driven sedans like the Toyota Vios, a chambered muffler is a great choice if you want a deeper, more refined exhaust note while keeping the ride comfortable for everyday use. On the other hand, for enthusiast-oriented sedans like the Honda Civic, especially if the vehicle has performance modifications, a free-flow muffler is often preferred for its sportier sound and improved exhaust flow. For stock Civics used as daily drivers, a chambered muffler is still an excellent option. This clearly separates Toyota Vios to chambered, recommended for daily driving; Honda Civic to free-flow, recommended for modified/performance builds; chambered for stock daily-driven Civics. Installing an aftermarket muffler is not automatically prohibited. However, your vehicle must still comply with regulations regarding excessive noise, emissions, and overall roadworthiness. Choosing the right muffler isn't just about making your car louder. It's about finding the right balance of sound, performance, comfort, and quality that suits your vehicle and your driving style. Whether you prefer a deep, refined tone for daily driving or a sportier exhaust note, selecting the right setup can make a noticeable difference in your driving experience. Always consider your goals, your budget, and local regulations before making any modifications. If you're looking for expert advice or the perfect exhaust setup, visit K-Racing Mufflers. We'll help you choose the best option for your vehicle and ensure you get the sound and performance you're looking for. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more automotive tips and exhaust-related content. See you in the next video.